What's going on? So in Blox Fruits, berries are the primary in-game currency, and collecting them is essential for progressing and upgrading your character. So, to acquire berries, one of the most effective ways is by defeating enemies and bosses throughout the game. Each defeated opponent drops a certain amount of berries based on their level and difficulty. So with stronger enemies yielding more, all right? So as you advance through different areas and islands, you're going to encounter high-level foes that draw better rewards. Another way to earn berries is by completing quests given by NPCs. These quests often involve defeating a set number of enemies or completing specific tasks within the game world. Now, completing quests not only rewards you with berries, but can also grant experience and other valuable items. So it makes them a great way to progress. Now listen, additionally, participating in events or challenges which are occasionally hosted by the game can provide opportunities to earn large amounts of berries in a short period. So some players also choose to trade items or fruits with others in exchange for berries, especially if they have rare or valuable resources. All right, so finally, certain in-game purchases may offer berry boosts, helping you accumulate more currency faster. Combine these strategies, and it's going to make it easier to gather the berries that you need for upgrades, fruit purchases, and more.